Hello, I'm Deborah from Healthnews, and today we're talking about longevity compounds. Compounds such as glycine, glutathione, and GlyNAC have something in common. They're popularly touted as having the antioxidant benefits to enhance our longevity. Whether that's true or far-fetched, the trend for glycine supplementation keeps growing. Let's review this phenomenon and see whether the claims about these compounds are valid. So, what is glycine? Glycine is the simplest and one of the most versatile amino acids naturally found in the body. Amino acids are the building blocks of our bodies, and 9 of them are called essential. They're called so because they cannot be produced in significant quantities by our bodies and thus are essential to our survival. Whereas some amino acids are synthesized in sufficient quantities in our bodies, and their higher intake is required only under specific conditions. In this instance, glycine is considered a conditionally essential amino acid, especially important for growth in humans. Structurally, it is represented by this formula and can be abbreviated as GLY. Glycine is naturally produced by the body and is also found in protein-rich foods such as meat, fish, and dairy. This amino acid plays a role in protein synthesis, making it essential for cellular growth and health. Another important topic when talking about glycine is glutathione synthesis. So one of the key roles of glycine in the body is its contribution to the synthesis of glutathione, which is a potent antioxidant. Glutathione is a tripeptide, or a compound of 3 amino acids composed of glycine, cysteine, and glutamic acid. The structure of glutathione can be viewed by this formula. Glutathione exists in 2 forms, reduced or GSH and oxidized or GSSG. The reduced form is the active antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and protects cells from oxidative damage. Once oxidized, becoming GSSG, it needs to be regenerated back to its reduced form to continue its antioxidant functions. This cyclical process is critical for maintaining cellular health and preventing oxidative stress. Let's review how glutathione helps to protect from oxidative stress. As mentioned, glutathione is integral to the body's defense against oxidative stress. It works within cells to neutralize reactive oxygen species, which are harmful byproducts of cellular metabolism and environmental factors such as pollution and ultraviolet radiation. By maintaining the balance between oxidants and antioxidants, glutathione helps prevent cellular damage that over time may lead to the development of various diseases, including cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and cardiovascular diseases. This continuous cycle of neutralizing free radicals and regenerating reduced glutathione is essential for sustaining overall cellular health and longevity. By understanding the vital role glycine plays in glutathione synthesis and cellular protection against oxidative stress, we can appreciate how this simple amino acid contributes to longevity. Now, another important compound when talking about glycine benefits for longevity is NAC. NAC is short for N-acetylcysteine. It is a powerful antioxidant that serves as a precursor to cysteine, one of the 3 amino acids needed to synthesize glutathione. NAC is sometimes used to help manage conditions associated with oxidative stress, mucus clearance in chronic respiratory diseases, and as a treatment for acetaminophen toxicity. It provides precursors to replenish intercellular glutathione, making it a valuable addition for maintaining cellular health and protecting against oxidative damage. GlyNAC, on the other hand, is a unique mixture combining glycine and NAC to increase glutathione levels in the body. Unlike supplements that contain only one of the glutathione precursors, GlyNAC provides both glycine and cysteine, and this potentially provides more precursors for efficient glutathione synthesis. The combination of both glutathione precursors may be particularly beneficial because it may help addressing the deficiency of both amino acids, which is often seen in older adults. GlyNAC has been extensively researched. Studies have indicated that GlyNAC improves mitochondrial function, reduces oxidative stress, and lowers inflammation, which are all crucial factors in aging and longevity. For example, a scientific review published in the Journal of Nutrition concludes that GlyNAC supplementation may do just that, as well as improve glutathione deficiency. In rodent studies and human trials, GlyNAC supplementation was shown to improve multiple age-associated health concerns, including insulin resistance, endothelial dysfunction, and muscle strength. But what about glycine itself and its health benefits? Let's look at some of the defining scientific reviews and studies on the topic. A comprehensive review published in Neuroscience analyzed the impact of glycine intake on human organ systems. This review highlighted glycine's positive effects on cardiovascular health, metabolic function, and cellular protection. But mostly, it underscored glycine's potential in supporting the nervous system. The most positive effects were achieved in improvement of psychiatric symptoms from longer-term glycine administration in psychiatric populations. A genetic study published in Nature Communications investigated the relationship between glycine levels and cardiometabolic disease risk. The findings suggested that higher glycine levels are associated with reduced risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. This study provided a genetic basis for glycine's protective effects against various health conditions. Another significant review in Aging Research Reviews discussed glycine's therapeutic benefits in conditions like diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular diseases, and neurodegenerative disorders. The review emphasized glycine's role as a geroprotector, quote, capable of extending lifespan and improving health in simple and complex model organisms, end quote. What about the researched and popular health benefits of glycine? Firstly, the reduction of oxidative stress. Of course, glycine is essential for the production of glutathione, a major antioxidant in the body. Glutathione in turn neutralizes free radicals and reduces oxidative stress, protecting cells from damage. A study published in Inflammation Research demonstrated that glycine, in conjunction with NAC supplementation, significantly increased glutathione levels and reduced markers of oxidative stress in rat models. Secondly, the support of mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of cells. This organelle is crucial for energy production. Glycine supports mitochondrial health by increasing energy production and improving mitochondrial function. A study published in Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy found that glycine supplementation may lead to improved mitochondrial respiration and higher ATP content in cells. This indicates that glycine not only boosts energy production, but also helps maintain mitochondrial health, which is crucial for overall vitality and longevity. And finally, glycine's anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in aging and various age-related diseases. Glycine has been shown to reduce systemic inflammation, thereby supporting healthy aging. Research review published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences highlighted glycine's anti-inflammatory properties, demonstrating its ability to decrease inflammatory markers in the body. By reducing inflammatory biomarker levels, glycine may have a potential application in mitigating the risk of chronic diseases and support for overall health. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in more ways to potentially increase your longevity, be sure to check out our other videos about powerful longevity benefits of omega-3s and antioxidants.